Hey y'all, this is Melvin with Roofing and Construction. I'm here for Miss Rachel out in Kennesaw for State Farm. We're gonna do a repair attempt on this particular shingle right here. I'm gonna just put a bracket around this and try not to fall. So it'll be this shingle right here where we're gonna be repairing, and then so we'll have 1, 2, 3. I kind of did that backwards, but you get the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That'll be a direct, impact of us, working on this particular shingle. But first, before I do that, I want to show you that there was a previous contractor. This repair wasn't done by us, but as you see, this repair, failed as well. Right here. And then I want to quickly show you a couple more. So as you see right here as well, we see that they, came and done this as well. And right here on the left slope as well. And then on the back slope, right here as well. Shadow kind of in the way. So these are all failed. So what I want to do is go ahead and not keep the video too long. Go ahead and get started. Using our trusted roof snake to get us going. As you see, we got the nail just popping straight through.
It's a construction nail.
This nail ain't even supposed to be in here. Not to this magnitude. Wow. Good gracious. All right. Definitely wanted to, well, when I take it out, I'll point it out. We're not lifting the shingle any further than what it needs to be.
Start to see the 3 and 2 starting to crease.
See if I can pull this out. There we go. So this is your damaged shingle right here. As we can see, super brittle. It's already starting to crack right there. During the install, and if I just, super brittle. throw that down there. And as he already pointed out, so we got 2, 3, and 4 beginning to 2, 3, and 4. I meant to say beginning to crease right here. We see the granule loss. We can hear just by tapping the granules is beginning to fall.
Even the 2 is fading away.
All right, and then we're gonna grab our other shingle. Right, going back with this brand new 25-year shingle. This is closest colors that we could get. Right, so now we're gonna start the install. During this install, I'm gonna intentionally not lift the shingle any further than what the roof snake will allow, like so. As you hear the granules falling every time I hit. All right, so as we see, put the brand new shingle in. We got creasing on number 2.